The NC750X gets an exterior update this year for 2021 with a new front cowl and windscreen design for better wind protection, as well as updated LED headlights, tail lights, and turn signals. NC750X has a sportier feel thanks to a more powerful engine, higher redline, and shorter gear ratios in first through third gear. This makes it easier to use gears effectively at low speeds or while riding around town, as well as maintaining longer gear ratios in the higher gears for highway touring use. Honda selectable torque-controlled setting levels have been changed to offer softer and more precise control to manage rear-wheel torque. The bike also features a new updated LCD dash, making it easier to read the screen on the go. An all-new frame that is 6 kilograms lighter and a 30mm lower seat to make getting on and off or waiting while stopped a little easier. Top it off with the eye-catching Grand Prix Red, and you've got one of the sharpest-looking adventure bikes on the road today. The throttle-by-wire system is incorporated in both the manual and DCT models and gives you the option to choose between rain mode, standard, sport, and an additional rider mode that lets you fully customize the settings or adjust the other modes while they're being used. This can all be selected with a button on the left of the handlebar. If that wasn't enough, it also comes with a slipper clutch this year, which makes the clutch lever easier to pull and manages rear-wheel chatter when you downshift quickly, resulting in a smooth and effortless ride. The NC750X gets even more storage space this year for 2021 with an additional 1-liter added storage space to the front compartment. You can now store an adventure helmet inside with ease, and the space can be locked to help keep your belongings safe. See you out there.
Also now benefits from punchier engine performance and a sharper new look. And it is even more practical than ever, with more storage space in its unique luggage compartment. New screen, LCD instrument panel, lower seat, more settings for the Honda selectable torque control, and new emergency stop signals, all while retaining its outstanding fuel economy.